I gotta admit, it was like I found a hidden door out of the typical crypto scene, and what was behind it? Wild profits. It felt like unlocking a secret playbook nobody else even knows exists. Curious how I pulled it off? Don't go anywhere. I'm about to explain everything. When I first got into this game, I fell for every trap. I invested in meme tokens that had hype, slick graphics, and fake promises. And every single time, they crashed and disappeared within hours. I can't tell you how many times I stared at my wallet like, seriously? Again? It was frustrating as hell, but I finally stopped playing that game. I found one strategy that actually made sense. No magic, no insider info, just something that worked if I stuck to it. I started running it daily, without missing a beat. And the shift? Insane. I went from constant losses to pulling 10 times gains regularly. That kind of stability changed everything for me, and I want to walk you through exactly how I made that transition. But before we dive into the tutorial, I want to take a moment and cover some important ground. I know you're probably eager to jump straight in, but this next part could save you from major headaches later. Pump Fun looks super beginner-friendly, and in some ways it is. But don't let the clean interface fool you. There's a lot going on in the background that can trip you up if you're not careful. So stick with me through this quick breakdown before we get into the actual steps. Jump into Photon and switch the filter over to Pump Fun. You'll see a non-stop stream of new tokens pouring in. It's wild how fast it moves, but don't let the rush fool you. Most of these coins crash just as fast as they appear. When making a token is this simple, you're bound to get a flood of lazy projects that vanish in a heartbeat. Now switch over to the Raydium filter, and just take it in for a second. The difference is clear. Everything feels more structured, like it's running on a solid game plan. Tokens launch roughly once per minute, and that steady rhythm actually helps keep the space clean. No spammy noise, just tighter liquidity, stable market caps, and real volume. Raydium isn't for random experiments, it's built for legit projects. Stick with me, and I'll walk you through how it all works. It seriously blows me away how effortless this has become. Launch Tool stripped away all the confusing back-end work and made token creation ridiculously simple. You don't need to be a developer or even mildly tech-savvy. Honestly, if your grandma can send a text, she's already overqualified. Follow Raydium's prompts and you're golden. I've done this several times now, and it runs better every round. Let's jump into the logo section now. I used Canva. No surprise there. It's hands down the simplest tool and perfect for silly memes like this. While messing around with some classic Mario levels, I stumbled on this funny image of a depressed Toad. Right then, I knew I'd name him Soad and build my coin based on that. Once the image is loaded, take a second to confirm it's set at 128 by 128 pixels exactly, not a pixel more or less. If you spot any awkward edges or if the image looks a bit blurry, don't stress, just adjust it a bit. After everything's looking smooth, click download and we'll keep things rolling. Alright, let's get things moving. First up, open Launch Tool and connect your Phantom wallet. It's a really quick process, usually takes less than a minute to get done. Once you see the token creation screen pop up, go ahead and type in Soad coin for the name and set Soad as the symbol. If you feel like adding a description to give your token some personality, you can do that, but I'm skipping it this round. After that, upload the logo you made in Canva. When everything looks good, click Next and we'll keep pushing forward. Keep the decimals and total supply as they are. Those settings are already optimized for you. The tool will handle verification by itself. When that's done, just hit Next to continue. Verifying your token requires a payment of 0.1 Solana, though it's completely your decision if you want to go through with it. For me, I prefer to hold on to my Solana and just bypass this step entirely. You don't have to spend a single coin if you don't want to, so simply hit skip and continue forward without any worries. Adding your social media links might give your token a little extra exposure, particularly if you've got some followers or a community online. But don't worry if you're not up for it. It's completely optional. The back-end technical stuff is all handled by Raydium, so you can just click skip and keep things moving without complication. Okay, don't even think about changing those last options. It might be tempting to avoid paying the 0.3 Solana fee, but investors will notice immediately and get suspicious. Keeping the freeze, mint, and update features locked is essential. It shows you mean business. Without that, people won't trust your project. So secure those settings and hit Launch My Token now without hesitation. Take a breath and don't hurry past this part. When the confirmation shows up in your wallet, approve it right away, even if it shows some standard security warnings. That's totally expected. After it finishes processing, your token will be live and out on the blockchain. Head over to Solscan and take a look. Your token is officially up and running on Solana. You'll see everything in order. No issues, no alerts, and no red flags. This is solid proof your token exists and is functioning properly. Time to lock in liquidity. Go back to Launch Tool and hit the Create Liquidity Pool button. You'll be taken over to Raydium, where you can put your pool together and start aiming for good profits. Alright, it's time to officially launch your MemeCoin into the market. Start by copying the contract address from Launch Tool. Next, head over to Raydium and paste it into the user token field. For the symbol, enter Soad and type out Soad coin as the full token name. Don't forget to hit Add User Token so the platform recognizes your coin properly. When it comes to adding liquidity, if your total token supply is 1 billion, be sure to deposit around 900 million of those tokens alongside some Solana. Keeping this ratio balanced is essential to ensure smooth trading and healthy token performance over time. When you're ready to add liquidity, start by clicking Max on your Solana balance to use all your available funds. But hold off on confirming. Reduce that amount by 0.2 Solana so you have enough left to cover the network fees. Forgetting this can cause your transaction to get stuck, so always keep that little bit aside. Next, set your token fee at 2%. This rate is just right. It attracts buyers without turning them away, helping your token grow steadily while keeping new interest flowing. You're almost there. Just click Initialize Liquidity Pool to get the process started. When the confirmation window appears, open up your Phantom wallet and approve the transaction. Give it a few seconds to go through. Once it's done, bam! Your token is officially live on the Solana blockchain. No complications, no waiting around. You just launched a brand new token from scratch. Open Photon and double-check that the Raydium filter is turned on. It's key for your token to display properly. Wait a bit while the page refreshes. Your MemeCoin will show up any second now. When it does, that's your confirmation that everything worked. It's officially out there ready for people to trade. Head back to Launch Tool and make sure you've copied the entire contract address for your token, without missing any characters. Next, open DEX Screener and select any token chart to get started. Swap out the contract address in the URL with yours. Then, hit Enter. Your token's live chart will pop up right away. If you prefer, just search your token's name in the search bar instead. Take a look at the chart and you'll notice some fast action immediately. Those sudden price jumps usually come from bots jumping in and out quickly to make quick gains. It's pretty common for new tokens to experience this, so don't stress if it seems chaotic at the start. You can benefit from it. It's been a full 15 minutes since the liquidity was added, and we've seen another $21 come through, building on the earlier payments. If you pull up the chart, both the market cap and liquidity look right on track. For now, let's just be patient and give it a bit more time. It's been about 30 minutes since we went live with liquidity, and the payments haven't stopped flowing in. That's always a good early indicator. The chart is holding up nicely, and both the market cap and liquidity are right where we want them. Let's give it a bit more time before making any moves. So here we are, about 40 minutes after launching, and a new $49 buy just landed, adding to the previous ones we've received throughout this entire process. The numbers are looking solid, market cap's healthy, liquidity is right, and the chart's holding up just fine. But the tricky part's over. Now you just need to reclaim your liquidity and get it safely into your wallet. I'm here to help you with a simple, step-by-step walkthrough to avoid any confusion. First, connect your wallet with Raydium, using the same wallet tied to your token creation. This won't take long at all. Go to the Portfolio section and select the Standard tab to find your tokens. If they aren't visible straight away, be patient and wait 10 to 15 minutes because there can be a slight delay after adding liquidity. When your tokens appear, click the minus icon to withdraw 100%. Select Solana as the token to receive, press Remove Liquidity, approve the transaction in your wallet, and you're done. The confirmation message just came in that your liquidity was shifted successfully. Head over to your wallet and verify that your updated balance is there as it should be. Everything's dialed in perfectly, and the profits show it. This method keeps delivering solid returns. With the market getting hot, now's a great time to jump in if you want. Plus, you can run through the whole routine again anytime. Everything's moving fast now. The system is working like a charm, and if you keep at it, there's plenty of potential to expand. Just to be clear, none of this is sponsored. Launch Tool, Photon, Raydium. I don't get paid by any of them. I'm simply sharing what's been effective for me. You'll find all the information in the description or in the pinned comment if you'd like to know more.